this joystick has 5 pins. So you can see here ground, 5-volt, X pin and Y pin. Okay, so I will use ground. Okay, all these 4 pins I'm connecting. Yeah, it is very difficult to connect for me. Now all the connections are ready, and this joystick is connected to board, and I connected to my laptop with the cable. Now I will write the code and I will show you the function. Before that, let me find out what the data this joystick has. So I have already written the code, and of course I will be showing you here, but I want to show you the default values. Okay, now this is at the default value. You can see Y and X. What does Y and X means? So we have Y axis and this is our X axis. Okay, alright, I can show you here. This is our Y axis and this is our X axis. So now at the center, the default value for Y is 490. Yes, we can take 490 or approximately 500, no problem. When I take upward, you can see the Y value is decreasing 0. That means for upside, means for upward, the value means we call it is forward. We call it is backward, this is forward. For forward value, and it should be less than 490 for forward value. Similarly, if I come backward, the Y value is coming 1023. That means for backward value, it should be more than 500. Yeah, sometimes. Now you got clear idea about upward and backward. If I want to design, if it is upward value should be less than 500. For backward, it should be more than 500. Now I am coming to X-axis. Now you can see that X data. So the default value is same, almost all 400, 480, 490 or like that. If I come right side, you can see now it is 1023, which is more than 500. Similarly, if I go left side, yeah. Now if I'm going left side, you can see when I click left side, it is coming 0. So left side value is 0. That means for left side less than 500, right side more than 500, up side more than 500, less than 500. You got clear idea. It's approximately, not exactly. And the same thing I want to write the code here, and the connection already I have showed you here. And again, my LEDs I will connect to pin number 2, 3, 4, 5. My LED is ready. This one I will put to the ground. Now this is to the ground pin 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, this is 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the important thing is that you should know what to connect and how to connect and how to write the code. For correct code, the output will be here. Okay, so this okay, I can write it here or here. That's it, no problem. Ground is there. Now if I run, now my program is done. Yes, it is alright. My code is correct. So if the code is correct, then this is alright. If somewhere the error is there, for example, if I make something error here, then you will see it will show some error. Let me show you one example. For example, suppose I will delete this 2 line, right? If I delete, since you can see I changed something, now you can see the error that LED is not connected. That is why it is happening. So I want to again rectify. Control Z, again Control Z. Yeah. Now if I run, yeah, my code is okay. Now my serial monitor is okay. It's alright now. So if there is any error, you will find the error message. Now as per my coding, now you will see the LED will blink, and later I will use this motor to make us to work this at my instruction. That is the basic principle of robotic. And I will use the motor and this what I call this is micro servo. Yeah. Now let me show you here. So when I put, yeah. So as per my coding, now if I move right side, look here. When I'm moving here, if I slightly move here and there, you can see the different LED will be blinking. If I just move right side, you can see one light. I will correct the code there. So if I move up, you can see one LED is blinking, not blinking, is lighting. Backward, another one, you can see. Forward, as per the coding, backward as per the coding. I can show you here. So this is as per the connection. So right, I will correct the coding here. Left. Okay. And if I move here, you can see that LEDs are blinking in different direction. Right. Now let me connect the servo motor. Okay. So then we will go ahead and I will connect the motor. So welcome to the session today to Arduino coding. So today in this session we will be using this joystick and this Arduino Uno board, the cable, and this breadboard, LEDs, connecting wire, jumper wire, this motor. So we'll be using and do some project. Basically, this joystick is used to design many projects in school level, even in junior college level. So we can do a lot of projects with help of this joysticks. Okay, so now I want to show how to connect this one, and I will write the code here, and I will show you the output. Then let us see. So you can see here, this joystick has 5 pins. So you can see here ground, 5 volt, X pin and Y pin. Okay, so I will use ground. Okay, all these 4 pins I'm connecting. Yeah, it is very difficult to connect for me. Okay, so these 4 pins are connected. Now this ground pin I will connect to the ground here. Then this 5 volt pin will be connected to the 5 volt. This is our 5 volt. Then this X pin I will connect to the, I can show you here the coding. So the X pin I will connect it to A0 or A0, and the Y pin I will connect to A1.